my supermarket adventure. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys to shopping adventure right now. I'm gonna walk about 15 minutes to the central bus station over there for shopping. Because of this corona, I do not have money, and I have only $150. $150. Let's see what $150 would buy me in the supermarket, and this is all I got for the month. So yes, for 3 weeks. So let me take you to supermarket adventure. So come with me. Your boss, bro. Yo, this is Semolina. I got to buy 3 for 10 shekel. I'm gonna buy 20 shekel Semolina. Yeah, this is sour milk. Where's the big one? This is the big one, but this is not that one we bought that day.
If it is not expensive, this you don't buy this.
Okay, this one is so much.
For now, it's all small.
This is 30. Check it there, 35 shekel. Yeah, this is egusi. How much is the egusi? Huh? 30 shekel. 30 shekel one. This is also molten. Buy one. Yeah, they want people to go and order online. Ta-da! Today is day 3 of the shopping spread. Is that funny? Last Thursday, guys, remember? I told you guys I'm going to the shopping adventure with you guys. On getting to that shopping complex, the shop was closed for online buying, and I cannot buy online because of you guys. I want to buy and show you guys what $150 can buy me in the state of Israel, right? So now, today is Thursday, day 3. I'm taking you guys to another province called Ben Yehuda, right here in the city of Tel Aviv. So I'm going to take you guys to a big supermarket. At least right now I have about $100 with me, less than $90. Remember that day I went to some mini shop to get some African things that I couldn't find in other supermarkets. So right now, follow me down to Ben Yehuda. But don't forget, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a recipe how you can use semolina and make let me give it a name, jungle cornflakes. Don't worry, I will show you guys how to use semolina to make a jungle cornflakes. Very nice. See you at the supermarket. It's beautiful, beautiful Sunday afternoon in Tel Aviv, and this is Ben Yehuda, and the shopping complex is just over there. But there's something I'm gonna tell you guys. It's fucking sunny and hot. Today is 37-degree sunny. See you at the complex. Let me look for water to drink. Corona beer. Now I'm looking at the the drinks, and I don't have money. I got only $150. I have about $80. No. How much is this one? What's the price? Okay, this is the price. 4 shekel. Okay. Okay, it's 5 shekel per kilo. 490. How much is this? Okay. This is honey. This is 20 shekel. Yeah, let's take this. Coffee. Salt is 170. 1 shekel 70.
Okay. Put it nicely. Yeah, what's it there? The catch time. Department of oil. The difference is 190.
This one is 20 shekel. Oil. This is section for olive oil. These are different kind of olive oil they have here. So I'm going to go for the cheapest one anyway. This one is 16.90. So formerly they are selling 19.90. Now it's 16.90. So I got to take one of these. This is dishwashing liquor. It's 12.90. Okay. Just buy a toilet. This one is 7 shekel. I'm taking this. Oh, wow, I've never seen this kind of candle before. This is a candle. Yeah, on my list now is toilet paper. So let's go for toilet paper. This one is 31 shekel. How many is inside? 32. Inside toilet paper. I'm gonna go for something more cheaper. This one is too fancy. How much is this one? Guys, I'm probably gonna take this one for 30. This says 36 now. It's 36, but now 31.90. Okay, let's go for this toilet. It's beautiful, huh? Now on the list is yeah, this is the last thing I think we need. This is soap. Your face soap for shower. 9 shekel 90. That's 10 shekel. This is about $2 and some few cents. So this is for shower also. So I also gonna take this for shower. How much is that? $9.90. This is about $2 and some cents. So I'm gonna take this also. Guys, this is all I bought now. So I'm going to check, and I'm going to pay at the counter now. Let's see how much we got. So all we got here is 163. So we go to buy more, abi? Yeah. Okay, I have to buy this 2 for 15 shekel. Guys, after I finish to pay, the money is left. So I got to take this. This is 5. And okay, let me take 2 of this. 11 shekel. It's 11 shekel. It's about $3. I mean, yeah. I'll do the mathematics anyway. It's about $3. Tomato, $4.90 per kilo. So let's go for tomato, guys. Yeah, green pepper. Also a green pepper. Take a few of this green pepper. So let's also buy this green. Is this, they also call this green pepper, right? Also from here I'm gonna take, so this is ginger, right? Am I right? This is ginger or garlic. So we're gonna take garlic, only 1 garlic. The price is not there, so probably it's $6.90, I don't know, or $4.90. So let me take a very nice cool one. Now I come for the onion, guys. Please, I need your comments below. I want to see your comments under the box, guys. If you like this shopping adventure, just let me know. If you love this shopping adventure, let me know. So now I'm gonna buy onion and we wrap it up. So onion is $3.90 per kilo. So I'm gonna take a few onion right now. This one is beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, let's go for, white wine. This thing I'm holding is just disturbing me. Let me put it here. I'm still holding this. So this is a white wine, 2019. So let's go for this. Let's go to pay. Wow, I almost forgot I need egg. Wow, let's go for egg. Egg is 13 shekel. Look at the price. Okay.
Do not mix, okay? No mix. And this one is 9.90. מה זה? בצל, עגבנייה.
Guys, I'm gonna teach you how to use semolina and make flakes, or oats you can call it. For those of you who are African who know about gari, this food is for everybody, whether you are black, white or red. This is a nice meal. You can eat it hot or cold. This is how it is. You put the boiling water on fire, then put semolina. on it and make it dry, just like you see now. Now I want to eat it very cold because it's very hot here in Israel now. You see, I take the peanut. I will add the peanut into my semolina that I've already prepared. It's like a flakes. I call it jungle flakes. That's Nami give the name. It's me that give it that name, jungle flakes. Then you can add powder milk if you want. This one is sour milk that you're looking at now. I add powder milk already, but I'm adding this sour milk for the promotion of my video. Now you stir it together with the peanut. You add a little bit of sugar, and you stir, and that's it. If you're feeling very, very, very hot, if it is very hot weather, you can add a cube of ice. Then yummy, yummy. So that is how to prepare jungle flakes with semolina.